Welcome back. Today, let's increase our session slightly by 1 minute. You can sit on a chair, sofa, a bed, or even on the floor, wherever you feel most comfortable with your arms rested on your legs. And if you're sitting in a chair, keep your feet flat on the floor. Slowly close your eyes and take deep breaths. Take deep breaths and just try to focus on that. If you want, you can count from 1 to 10 on each inhale. Relax any tension that isn't necessary and slowly pay attention to your breath. It's quite common for this to feel like a struggle. By breathing slowly, you are activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which will make you feel calm and tranquil. As you follow the breaths, be open to cultivating a clear awareness of whatever appears in the present moment. The last few moments of the session, stop focusing on the breaths and don't focus on anything in particular. With an open awareness, observe any physical sensations. You can open your eyes when you're ready. Well done on completing another session. As we practice mindfulness, it will start to come more and more naturally in our everyday lives. Subscribe to us and help us grow.